Jai Mahakal, this is my Astra. Vasuki, main, heart and moon. I thought of putting up this video today because too much of writing, I'm tired. I've just come back from the court. I said I will put up a video today, explain everything to my Shastras. Means all three into one. The judge was absent, sent on holiday. I got a date, 18th. Nothing will happen on the 18th. But I had sent a letter to the registrar that I will come and perform Satyagraha there if they don't hear me. I went there. Registrar also absent. One, Mrs. Naidu came after some time. Half an hour. Tando means the roar of the tiger, the Tigori. Everything, pin drop silence. Nobody could talk. Now what? I, being humble, and there was a woman, I told her, Tai, means sister, I am giving you 24 hours. She said, I will have to ask the principal judge what is to be done. I said, don't worry. धीरज का काम इंसान का, गाय का काम शैतान का. And my father had taught me always, बेटा ठंडा करके खा, गरम गरम चटके लगते. So I told her, I'll give you 24 hours. You talk to the principal judge. I'm coming back for Satyagraha here. Somebody told me, some stupid people, idiots, that the settlement will happen in the court today when I go. How will the court interfere? The court cannot interfere. Quasi-judicial it is and not an admin. And they cannot do it. How will they settle a matter, a POXO matter, in court? Impossible. Anyway, 1 minute, I'm pausing. It's so hot. 42 even now. It's 5:10. But I'm here. 6 months, 1 year, what? But I will go. Chew the brains of the judiciary. Chew their brains. They can't hear me. I know it. They can't hear this matter. Then how long do you want to stretch it? I will not allow them to stretch it. This is the position what happened in court. It can never settle. They have to come here. Now what? I gave them a chance yesterday. Okay, if the court is settling, they said the Shaktis, they will meet you at the safe house. Now I will not. Shaktis have to come here. Here, in this Samshana, only then I'll settle. Every day to court. Satyagraha. I will chew their brains. Anything which is important, I shall inform you all by whatever post. I have not groomed myself. I am never like this kind of hair. I am always bald. छोटा हो गया, पतला. I've lost a lot of weight. But I'm okay. My liver is very weak. Very weak. The rest, everything is okay. So I am on drugs for liver to come back. 1 month's course. I shall do it. I'm not going back from here. May what come. If they ask me to vacate, I will go inside. Complain. Arrest me. I am doing that. The major issue has happened is because of that honey trap. This idiot Suar, he set up this trap. A very beautiful girl from Punjab, traveling from Bangalore to Punjab. Why did she have to come to Pune and directly to my pandal? First she came, chakkar aa raha hai. I said, okay, beta baitho udhar. बैठने बोला तो लेट गई तो she started crawling near me to hold my leg or what. I said, चलो उधर बैठो. And immediately 112. Complaint registered in the name of this Agori. अब क्या करोगे? She is hospitalized. How can they take her back to Punjab without my permission? They cannot. That is why now the court is trembling, shivering. They can't hear me. Because this will be the first opening argument. How can you give me the permission and a honey trap in your premises in your jurisdiction by the sewer. So he must have paid you, no? To delay the matter. Let them delay. This Agori, since 21, has been fighting. और लड़ेगा. It will become more dangerous legally. I don't do anything illegally. So I've done a lot of things. You all chill, all three of you all. Even Lopa, but you chill. Just chill and pray, all four of you all. Everything will happen. Everything will happen. And happen the way I want. Again, now this is a deadline. If tomorrow nothing, again a 24-hour deadline. How many times they can give me a deadline? Ultimately, they have to stop this Agori from coming inside. And today I've told them, don't go against the Agori. शाम को काल भैरवा को अगर मैंने मद्य पिलाया, भोग चढ़ाया, मंत्र जाप किया, सबके पीछे भूत लगा दूंगा. I've got my powers, and now this huge 2 feet, both sides, carving, and here moonstone, and here your heart, and of course Vasuki. Main thing was Vasuki in the hand. Destroyer. The heart is there, moon is there. Destroyer, she's in my hand. If anybody comes now, it's so powerful. Divine powers as well as it's huge. One bang on the head if somebody comes here will collapse. Nobody go against the Agori. I'm not doing anything wrong. I want justice for these 3 lakh girls. I don't want anything. Money you all are giving me. Have I asked? Yes, I'm giving you all much more money. Much more than what I'm taking. Why? I need to secure you all. There are a lot of things which I want from you all. Majorly the 9 offsprings. And after my death, you all need to take care. You all are going to be the trustees of such a big trust. Not a small thing. Let me fight. You all just pray. Won't make it lengthy. I don't have Wi-Fi here. Rest all is good. I'm in the best of mood. My glow is gone. Haggard. I've never had this kind of beard. Never. Look at this. Look at this. All the hair have grown here. All the hair here. My eyebrows I haven't. Nails I had to cut. I had to chop them, clip them. Because it was unhealthy. This is no, I shampoo it every morning. This is Agori ऐसा ही है. ऐसा ही है. तुम अच्छे तो मैं बहुत अच्छा. तुम बुरे तो मैं बहुत बुरा. If you step on my tail, Tando, come here softly, talk to me softly. हाथ जोड़ के settlement करूँगा. You come with ego, I'll throw you out. I think that's enough. जय माँ काल. माँ कामाख्या देवी bless you all. काल भैरवा bless you all. अलक निरंजन. भारत माता की जय हो. अलक निरंजन.